guys, it's Nigeria. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm pretty excited because my birthday is on Sunday. Okay, so I actually don't know if I'm posting this on Friday or Monday. So if this is on Friday, then my birthday is on Sunday, and if I'm posting this on Monday, then my birthday was on Sunday. But as I'm filming this, it's Thursday, so that's why I'm like, I don't know. But anyways, yeah, my birthday is coming up, and I'm gonna try to take like some pictures. If they turn out good, I'll put them like on the screen, or I'll put them like somewhere throughout this video. But yeah, I'm gonna try to take some pictures of my own just to like post and everything for my birthday. So I'm going to be doing my makeup for those pictures today. My hair might look a little bit crazy, but like this is kind of like going with the aesthetic of the pictures, of how I want the pictures to look. But yeah, I might film a little bit of me taking the pictures, but it might be kind of hard because I'm taking the pictures with my camera, and then like I need my phone to like look at to make sure the pictures are like good and everything. But anyway, today is going to be a get ready with me, just doing my makeup for those pictures, or like a birthday get ready with me, all that good stuff. So yeah, I guess if you guys want to, by the way, I'm turning 22. If you want to wish me a happy 22nd birthday in the comments. I kind of have an anxiety attack and go into a very deep depression every year on my birthday because I just feel like another year of me being a failure. It's this whole thing with birthdays, whatever. But anyways, yeah, back to happier topic. If you guys want to see me do a birthday get ready with me, then just keep on watching. Okay, so of course I made a face chart. I made a face chart like always, how I want my makeup to kind of be. So I am going to be following that. I don't know, I kind of just want to do something that looks like that. This is just kind of, I feel like it's a very me makeup look. I was kind of going for like, I was just sitting down, I was like, how do I feel like I'm representing in an eye look, or what's my like aesthetic I want to go for, and that's just what I like drew up. So yeah, that's kind of just what I'm going for. So yeah, this is like a get ready with me, so I don't think I'll be explaining that much of what I'm doing, but yeah, I'm pretty excited to be taking these pictures. I hope they turn out good. I want to take some in front of like a projector, so it like kind of like reflects on my face and on the wall and stuff. I don't know, I kind of have like a vision how I want it to go like in my head, and I'm hoping that it turns out that way, because like I don't know, I get really upset when things don't look like how they look in my head. So I'm just trying to like, hoping that it looks kind of like that. My look today is going to be like pink pretty much, because I really like pink. I also really like yellow as well, but it's going to be like brown. It's going to be pink, but like kind of mostly brown as well, because I'm going to be like blending out with pinks and stuff, but like the main color is going to be brown, but like it's going to be blended out with pink, if that makes sense. So yeah, but like I was saying in the intro, I always have like not always, like recently with my like anxiety and like me not doing what I truly want to do because of my anxiety, I've had really bad anxiety attacks on my birthday, also on New Year's is when that kind of happens. So like anything that signifies like a new year, or that signifies like me getting older, I'm hoping I feel a little bit better this year, because I have been taking a little bit more proactive steps in like trying to pursue what I really want to do in life. So I'm hoping that makes me feel like a little bit better, and I'm gonna try to make like a vision board and just try to like make it a good birthday, if that makes sense, because I always just have these thoughts in my head, not turn it into like bad and stuff. So I'm just trying to like, I don't even know, like be in a good way for my birthday, because like recently I have not been, and it doesn't have anything to do with like the pandemic or anything. It's just me. yeah, if you guys didn't know, what I really want to do is I really want to be an actress. But also, if you guys don't know, if you're new here or you just don't really know, I kind of bring it up a lot just so people get like an idea of kind of who I am, or like why I am the way I am, why I say the things in the way that I say them sometimes. I have really bad social anxiety, so yeah, that's kind of like keeping me from doing the things I want to do, keeping me from thinking that I'm good enough to do the things that I want to do, if that makes sense. I'm trying to look for a brush. Oh, here it is. So that's kind of why, if you guys are wondering, like, well, you say you want to do these things and you feel bad for yourself or whatever, but you're not doing these things. That's kind of why, because like, I mean, it's not an excuse, but it kind of is, like, it's the truth. I just have social anxiety, and I have a really bad problem with like self-esteem and like thinking I'm not good and all that other good stuff that comes with anxiety. But recently I've been looking into like schools. I'm gonna try to start looking into like classes so I have a little bit of experience before I start going into schooling and stuff. And I know you don't necessarily need to have that, but I just feel like it will make me more comfortable with my anxiety and stuff. I just feel like knowing a little bit about it before I start learning about it, start working with people, because obviously like acting and stuff is literally like the complete opposite of social anxiety. That's what's like so, I mean, it's not funny, but that's what's so like crazy about it. My therapist also always says like it's literally the complete opposite. Like I have social anxiety and acting is literally like the most social thing. So it's like huh? But I'm gonna start hopefully going to classes. Maybe I was thinking about like also maybe trying to find a coach that can help me, like can look through monologues and like watch me do them and be like, okay, you need to like work on this a little bit. I know in schooling that will help me like do those things as well, but like I was saying, I just kind of want a little bit more experience before I go in, because it'll just make me feel more equipped to do the things, and also like less attacked if someone were to give me like pointers in school or whatever. So I just know how I am, so I know like that'll help me better, if that makes sense. So I sped it up because I didn't want it to be too long, because there is a little mini vlog, as you can see by the title, at the end of this. But basically I just did like a little half cut crease moment. I have plenty of videos on a half cut crease if you guys don't know how to do it, but yeah, I just did a little half cut crease moment, and then I'm pretty sure I put like some pearls on it or whatever. So yeah, I just did that. But yeah, I sped it up because like I said, I have a little mini vlog, which was so exciting. I don't know if I say that I like cut to it, so I'm just gonna like say it here in like voiceover style. Yeah, it was so fun to do. You'll see. So if it's not that great, it's just my first time doing a little vlog style, so I'll definitely get better at it, but I loved doing it. So here's a little bit more of me doing my makeup in fast motion until we get to the vlog style. Okay, so this is my finished birthday get ready with me. I'll do a close-up because I Love this so much. And I just want you guys to see the pearls and like just the beauty of this look. Okay, I don't know why it's so zoomed in, but I think I might film me trying to take the pictures on Baymax on my old phone, because I'm definitely going to be using my new phone to take the pictures with my camera. Like, I need to like use the Canon app or whatever to take the pictures, so I think I might be recording it on this phone, and it looks pretty good. So yeah, I mean, this angle looks bad right now because it's so close. I don't know why, but yeah, look at my makeup. I love the way it looks. My lashes look a little crazy. I don't know why, because like they're on right and everything. Well, the edge is coming up a little bit, but like they're on right and everything, but right here always looks a little wonky, but it looks so good. By the way, guys, follow me on TikTok, because I'll be posting videos and they be kind of good over there. Like, they be kind of bussin'. No, I'm just kidding, but they be kind of bussin'. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna wait for my camera battery to charge a little bit, and then I'm gonna go into trying to take these pictures. We'll see how it looks. I think I'm gonna try to do like the projector and project. Like, let me see if I can find some of what I kind of am talking about and what's in my head. Okay, so this is a good example. So like something like that kind of, but I have like pictures of how I want to do it. Okay, period. This is kind of what I'm talking about. Like, this is kind of how I want to do it. Those are great examples. I'm glad that I found those, because this is like exactly what was in my head, and I didn't have a good way of explaining it to people. I should have just looked this up like a while ago. So yay, I'm so happy that I found these pictures, because I had no idea how to like explain to people what I wanted to do. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna let my little camera battery charge for a little bit. I'm gonna go on and move my camera and my ring light into my sister's room, but hopefully these turn out pretty good. I'm gonna probably do some editing on them too, like see if I have a little double chin, edit that out or whatever. You know, it's my birthday. I'm gonna fix this lash, by the way, ignore that while I'm talking. But it's my birthday. I'm gonna do how I want to look, you know. I'm excited that this actually looks pretty good quality, so I can like put it in the video and stuff. So yeah, let me go move that, and then hopefully I can set this up to kind of like get action shots of me taking the pictures or whatever. So okay, so I'm in my sister's room. I kind of want to show you guys. Her fire alarm is messed up, so ignore that. I want to show you guys, unfortunately I wasn't able to do the pictures that I chose, so we're gonna just try to do this right now. I think this is fun, like the vlog style. The quality is bad obviously because the light's off, so we're gonna see what we can do. Guys, I'm literally so ecstatic right now. I literally did it. Period. So it's right. I'm gonna show y'all the pictures that I got. Look, okay, I'm so happy. So there's an app on the Roku called I'll go out of it for you guys so you can see everything. So it's called Photo View for Google Photos. And basically, if you have Google Photos, it just you should have it anyways, because it keeps photos that you want in like a Google app or whatever attached to your account. So now you can go here, which is the photo albums, and I have like some different albums. I have like makeup looks, Canon makeup looks like that I took with my camera for, like for thumbnails, other than this, and then I made an album for the pictures that I want to use for my pictures, and they're right here. Wait, give me a second. Period. I'm so ecstatic, you have no idea. Okay. This is so fun. I mean, I'm never cute, like I'm not cute at all, but it's kind of fun to pretend like I am. If you have a projector, definitely do this. I mean, if you're a professional, your pictures will come out looking better than mine. I'm going to show you guys a few once I get in here and connect to my camera. My phone is super bright, but there we go. These are what some of them are looking like. I look super weird in that one. Some of these aren't gonna make the cut. I'm just kind of showing you guys like what they look like right now. Like that looks pretty cool. and I'll fix that with some other things. So yeah, let's get back to work. I think I'm gonna give it a little break. Maybe look at some pictures and edit them, try to edit some of them, because I have a whole bunch, and if I can't find a few that I like within these pictures, then I don't deserve to take pictures. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go back to my room and then I'll do like a little bit outro there. Okay, so if you're confused as to why I have a different shirt on, I was taking my pictures and stuff and I did a little outfit change. So yeah, I'm happy this was kind of like a birthday get ready with me, but also like a little mini vlog of how I like figure stuff out like on my own. I don't really have like friends or anything. I mean, I have siblings obviously, but I don't have like anybody who like takes pictures or anything, so I kind of just have to like figure that out as I go on my own. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. I'm liking how the pictures came out. I have to edit them and stuff still, so we'll see. This is probably going to be a Monday video. If this is Monday's video, then I'll put the pictures on the screen right here. I took these all by myself, so I'm pretty proud of those. I love this makeup, so I'm going to take more pictures. It just looks so good. But like, I never really take pictures like this because I'm super self-conscious. I mean, it's still just my face, it's not my body, but yeah, I'm pretty proud of this video. I mean, I have to see what I'm editing, but if I edit it and it turned out, then I'll put this part in. I'm pretty proud of it. I definitely want to start doing more like day in the life vlogs if I'm doing like stuff that pertains to like videos and stuff. Sorry, I'm like spacing out, so I know my eyes look crazy. So like how I did my makeup, and then I'm taking pictures for my birthday, or like how I take thumbnail pictures, or if I'm making like a headpiece, like I want to show like the process of that. Also just like more daily vlogs, like maybe call it like trying to be productive with anxiety, because I have really debilitating anxiety. Not that I want to make that my whole entire like person, because I'm more than my anxiety, whatever. So yeah, I'm talking really low because I don't want to disturb the people in my house, but I'm hoping you guys can hear me fine. I really want to get a microphone so I can do like ASMR videos and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm in a really good mood because I took those pictures and they look pretty cute. So yeah, I guess thank you guys so much for watching these videos. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want more videos like this, please leave a comment down below. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, because it's a little bit out of my comfort zone. Yeah, you guys, I am very insecure about like my body and like seeing my face and stuff from different angles. So if I put these pictures, the process of taking the pictures, it's like a big step for me. So please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you want more videos like this, just leave a comment down below. It's really nice to be like encouraged to do these type of things. And remember, you're all beautiful. Take pictures. They make you feel good from angles that you think are good. Like, I honestly don't think I'm cute at all, but sometimes I be hitting angles and I be like, okay, you're a little bit, you like a 5 instead of like a 2. And then if you edit them, like I'm gonna edit them, and if you have to like take off some things, and girl, it's fine. It's you. Like, you live how you want to live. Let what you post on your social media is you, how you want to look, all that good stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. I'm going to start doing more videos like this, like I said, not even just like makeup related, like just like vlogs. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye. Also, like, I'm 22. Like, what has my life come to?